This is my second Hello Kitty donut. This is also very defected. I have some Hello Kitty remints, so I have this Dongo. This part's not squishy. I have this Hello Kitty bun. This Hello Kitty dorayaki. This Hello Kitty cream puff. Hello Kitty taiyaki. And this Hello Kitty cake roll. And last but not least, this Hello Kitty steamed bun. And then I have this Hello Kitty bun. This Hello Kitty dorayaki with pink filling. Hello Kitty and an apple. Hello Kitty and strawberries. Hello Kitty cherries. And Hello Kitty in this Union Jack costume. Those are my Hello Kitty Rare Squishies. So next I'm going to show you some of my random assorted collection. So I have this giant Rilakkuma. I have some toast, so I have this one, this one, this Rilakkuma honey toast. This tag is incredibly big. And I have two more toast. This is the one-piece one. I have this one-piece character mascot squishy, and also this toast. Next I have two Donkos. So there's the Chip and Dale and the Donald Duck. I have this Rilakkuma mascot, cupcake squishy. This Rilakkuma cupcake. This Hello Kitty, this Chopper in a Hello Kitty hat. I have this random Rilakkuma squishy, I don't know what that's in there. I have a My Melody squishy. This Capybara Song squishy. I have this Mickey Mouse. This rare Rilakkuma lying down. Bear School ice cream squishy. Carrot Toy and a strawberry. Mickey Mouse squishy. These are not rare anymore, but they used to be. I have this one. Don't know what it's called. And then I have some stress balls. So I have Squeeze Toys, actually, this pink filling one. This Rilakkuma head. This Rilakkuma lying down. This Rilakkuma. And I have this character. So next I'm going to show you my realistic food squishies. So first I have this one in packaging, and it's a sub sandwich. This realistic Brito cake roll. This realistic bagel. Realistic chocolate croissant. I have some sushi squishies, so I have this one. This one. Shrimp sushi. This red tuna. Eel fish squishy. And this salmon squishy. And also this salmon roll squishy. I have some macaroons, so I have this one in packaging. Yellow one. Blue. Magenta. Orange. Chocolate or coffee. Mint. And I also have this sugar bun. I have this regular croissant. Strawberry cream puff. This sub sandwich, but it's really defected. This bagel sandwich. This white cream puff. Yellow cream puff. This one's very squishy. Pink macaroon. I have this macaroon. I have two rare squishy crackling chocolate bars. This dark one. And this white chocolate. Oh, I also have this sushi squishy. I have two waffle squishies. I have this open Brito macaroon. This donut squishy. This Sweet Cafe chocolate cake squishy. And the last squishy in my squishy collection is, in fact, this giant Birdo Slice of Love. It smells incredible, and it's also super squishy, but I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. It's super realistic, as you can tell. So that is my squishy collection. So all of this stuff is my squishy collection. So this is my hand. Place it down. This is everything. So thanks for watching, guys, and this is a super long video, so I apologize for that, but I had a lot to show, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.